The Eastridge to BART Regional Connector project is a 2.4-mile light rail extension from the Alum Rock Station to the Eastridge Transit Center. When complete, this extension will provide a seamless connection to regional rapid transit service and greater travel options for Santa Clara County residents. The project features include an elevated guideway along Capitol Expressway and an elevated station at Story Road, a street-level station at the Eastridge Transit Center, and 2 power substations located near Ocala Avenue and Eastridge to provide power to the rail system. A high-voltage PG&E transmission power line between Ocala Avenue and Quimby Road will be relocated from the median to the east side of the expressway to provide room for the aerial guideway. The elevated guideway is a concrete bridge over 2 miles long, supported by columns. The columns are built over concrete foundation, supported by piles driven into the ground. At Story Road intersection, a new elevated station will be accessible from both sides of Capitol Expressway by an arch-shaped steel pedestrian bridge. 3 elevators and stairs will be provided for access to the platform level. The elevators and stairs on the west and east ends lead to the pedestrian bridge at mezzanine level. Passengers would then take the elevator or stairs to the center platform. The Story station will have a center platform along with shelters, benches, information displays, and ticketing system for passengers. At Tully Road, the aerial structure will cross over the west side of the intersection. After construction of the abutment and columns, pre-stressed precast wide-flange concrete girders will be hoisted in place at night with the help of cranes. Tully Road will be closed at night during this operation, and traffic will be detoured to nearby streets. At the end of the project, a new Eastridge station will be constructed to connect with the bus transit center and a parking lot at Eastridge Transit Center. The station will include a center platform with access from both ends. The excavation and the median of the expressway are supported by shoring. After the excavation is complete, precast concrete piles will be driven into the ground. This will cause noticeable noise and vibration to buildings close to the work area. To minimize noise and vibration, wood cushions will be placed on piles during driving, and temporary noise walls will be installed along sensitive areas. The concrete columns for the elevated guideway will be cast in place using a concrete pump. Concrete pours could occur during the day or at night. One lane will be closed during off-peak hours for the column construction. Similar column construction occurs for the full length of the project. After columns are in place, construction of the bridge occurs with the help of bridge falsework and formwork. The installation of falsework will take place over several nights, and crossroads will be closed at the intersection and traffic will be detoured. The bridge superstructure is a concrete box girder that is constructed in 2 steps using concrete pumps. Concrete pours occur at night with 2 lanes closed. After concrete pour, the bridge deck will be post-tensioned to attain structural strength. Alternate spans of the bridge will be built for the entire length of the project. Falsework is then removed over several nights, requiring lane closures for safety. This continues for the remaining spans along the project. While bridge construction proceeds, simultaneous construction activities will be occurring at the Story intersection to build the stairs and elevator building. In next stage, a pedestrian bridge will be installed near Story intersection. The pedestrian bridge is a double-arch, 2-span steel bridge that will be installed over several nights with the help of heavy cranes. During this operation, Capitol Expressway will be closed for public safety, and traffic will be detoured to other streets. Finally, track work and overhead catenary systems will be installed along with the remaining architectural and system elements at the stations. This process continues for the remaining spans along the project. Other construction activities such as drainage, sidewalk, traction power building occurs at various locations on the project. In the final stage, the project area will be paved with asphalt and new stripes installed. The Eastridge to BART Regional Connector Project is the last portion of the larger Capital Expressway Transit Improvement Project that transforms Capital Expressway into a multimodal boulevard, offering safe connections to BART and other regional transit systems.